We're not gonna come early. We're gonna come late. We're not gonna be able to come because look here. There's too much work to do. There's too much. Okay. Yes. Look here. Look here. We are still busy, and he need too much to work on. He need too much, and we still have to paint the other places. You still need to find the other places. We're too busy.